We are the GPS Climate Crisis Group, and we did a project on upcycling. Mason is going to talk to you about how we decided the project.
Process on deciding what project we wanted to do was a very collaborative effort between the students. We discussed outside of class and in our small groups, and we put all of our ideas onto a Jamboard and did some polls and finally landed on a plastic bag upcycling project.
So for this project, we utilized Jamboard to help us organize ourselves. We broke down into 3 different groups: logistics, materials, and promotion. And then with these groups, we were able to work in our small groups and also as a class, and we also use that to organize like what we did with the project itself.
We used the Jamboard for each person to sign up for a task.
Okay, that leads us to gathering the materials for the project. So we reached out to Festival and Target, and I was referred to their corporate office, so that didn't really work out. But my coworkers at PCM Credit Union came in the clutch, as well as some of our families and neighbors, and we ended up reaching our goal.
So one of the first things the PR team did was we created a poster that was going to be put with all of the bags that we were handing out. And I was in charge of making the poster, and there were multiple rough drafts, but we finally got to the poster that you see, and it has our Zoom code for the meeting and how to recycle your trash and all the information that you would need to attend the meeting.
So after we got the posters made, we created an Instagram account and started sharing our project. We shared them on our personal social medias through the 24-hour story feature and used common hashtags to engage with our audience.
After we did all of that, we had our live Zoom event, which was on April 20th at 7 p.m. It was open to anyone, but unfortunately we didn't have any others than people in our class attend, but it still went very well. And we did create a recording for anybody who might want to watch it later.